Howdy, I'm Matt.
Hi, I'm Marty.
This is Riggs. Woof.
Hello, today I want to show you what's inside the Starblend cake makeup kit from Mehron. They've revamped this kit this year and it has more value than in the past. It comes in 5 color palettes. It's in fair, medium, dark, olive, and HD media, and that HD media is a color palette specifically designed for video. So let's see what is inside this box. As with most Mehron kits, they always give you some really great instructional guides. This is an aging technique guide. There's some step-by-step aging techniques, and this is some application guides. Mehron does a great job of providing content on their website. Gene Flaherty, one of the head makeup guys there at Mehron, has a great aging technique video that you can find on YouTube. It's linked on the theaterhouse.com website, and you can find it on the Mehron site too. This kit goes for $79.95, and individually all these items would equally be over $200. So we're gonna walk through this at a pretty brisk pace. We got a velour powder puff there. This is some modeling putty right there. I see some crepe hair here. And this crepe hair, even though it doesn't look like a lot, as you begin to extend it, it's sort of compacted. So you extend that, you agitate it with your fingers and you smooth it out, and then you apply it to your skin with spirit gum. So there's more there than what you think. This is a stage blood. Now it appears to be an arterial stage blood versus venous because it's a little bit lighter. Looks like some spirit gum remover right there. This right here, this is a makeup remover lotion. We have some skin prep right here. We have a barrier spray, and barrier spray is a great product to apply before you begin the makeup application process and then afterwards. So you think about the barrier spray as the bread between your makeup sandwich. And that's what Gene would tell you from Mehron. Some Q-tips for application. We have some color set powder right here. Nice setting powder to keep locking the makeup look. Here we have some hair white, and this is a Coleman product. Some liquid latex with an applicator brush that's inside there. We have a number of different brushes in here and a couple pencils. So a black and brown pencil, a couple detailed brushes, and we have a powder brush right here. Some foam wedges and stipple sponges. Those stipple sponges are great for adding a little bit of texture in your makeup application process. This is some spirit gum. Let's see what's under here. So we got these are a variety of the cake foundations here. So there's medium olive, Eurasia, fair, light olive, and that is light medium here. So this is a pressed powder makeup accent palette, and there is natural wheat, espresso, mocha, snow white, black onyx, and bold red, and you can see those right there. And if you're ever wondering, they always put the individual colors right on the back. I think we should have one more color there. That is a Eurasia Chinoy. And this is going to be our Pro Color ring. And that's a bruise ring right there. As you can see, there is a ton of product in this individual kit. 5 different foundations, lip cream, there's color set powder, latex, brushes, applicator pencils, spirit gum, some modeling putty, crepe. This is really a great gift, a great student kit, a ton of value in here. Individually, these would easily go for probably a couple $100. This is such a great value for somebody getting in, doing teaching, learning how to apply these items, because there's such a variety of product for them to experiment with. And there's also guides here. Again, it's $79.95. You can find it on the theaterhouse.com website. And if you have questions,
Woof.